This 2018 Jayco Redhawk 26X1 is a Class C RV. It is located in Manheim, Pennsylvania, 17545 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2018 Jayco Redhawk 26X1 is built on a Chevy 4500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.